Hello guys, have a nice day. We have here two pieces of coins of 1 dirham from the country of United Arab Emirates, guys. So we have here a 1 dirham year 2007, guys. 2007, and we have here also the 1 dirham coins from 1435 to 2014, guys. Here. So these two coins are very expensive now, guys. So we tell the difference of these two coins of 1 dirham coins from United Arab Emirates. The coins of United Arab Emirates 2007 and coins 1435 2014. We have here a magnet, guys. We have here a magnet. So the coins 2007 is non-magnetic, guys. Okay. You see, this is non-magnetic. It's made of copper nickel. Made of copper nickel. Year of 2007. Non-magnetic, guys. Non-magnetic. Okay. And we proceed in the 1 dirham coins from 1435 2014. The expensive coins, the two pieces expensive coins 2007 and 2014. This, guys, is a 2014 coins, 1 dirham. Okay. This, guys, very nice coins, 1 dirham. Okay, so this is the magnetic coins, guys. Okay, the ruler of these two coins is also the Khalifa bin Zayed. Okay, guys, so this is the magnetic coins 1435 to 2014, made of nickel plated steel. Okay, guys, this is the magnet, guys. Okay, so you see, guys, magnetic coins of 1435 2014. Okay, you can okay. So the difference of these two coins is a magnetic and non-magnetic. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, please press the subscribe and click the notification bell for updated all my upcoming videos, guys. And thank you so much. And again, this is non-magnetic of 2007. Okay, just wait, guys. 2007, non-magnetic. The composition is copper nickel, non-magnetic. And the one is 2014. The composition is nickel plated steel, so magnetic, guys. Okay. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching, guys, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and God bless always, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.